You can automate your work in 5 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Zapier. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Zapier? Straight from the source, build and scale AI workflows and agents across 9,000 plus apps with Zapier, the most connected AI orchestration platform. Trusted by 3 million plus businesses. In plain words, it lets you automate your work without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Zapier worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, your tools. Your rules. Any AI. On top of that, trusted by the world's best companies. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Zapier. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Every team has AI. Now they need a system. Connect any AI to 9,000 plus apps. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Zapier website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Zapier does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 5 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to automate your work with Zapier in 5 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.